Hello and welcome to Naples Motorsports. My name's Ron Ward. I've got a 2016 Roush Stage 3 here showing you today. How about 670 horsepower and 545 pound-feet of torque? Roush has really done some amazing things to this car over a standard Mustang GT 5-liter. Not only is the entire front fascia different, you've got heat extractors on top of the hood. You notice the black decals and accents on the hood scoop, Roush decal emblems on the side of the car, polished wheels. The car was ordered from the factory with Brembo brakes for the best type of braking that you can have for it, and the side ground effects for better aerodynamics. Up top you'll notice a black painted roof. It was ordered that way from the factory and really sets itself off well with all the black accents on the car, the white main color of the car, the dark red leather interior with black accents on the inside as well. You'll notice the Roush applique across the back on the trunk, the quad-tipped exhaust. That's an active exhaust system that you can actually regulate with a button on the inside of the car. You can have it in a quiet mode, or you can have a track mode where it's actually loud and sounds absolutely amazing. Let's take a look at the inside of the car. This car was ordered with just about everything you could get from the factory, including voice-activated navigation. This car also includes a track application, which allows you to time yourself 0 to 60, quarter mile, eighth of a mile, G-forces. You can even get other temperature type things like the intake temperature, air inlet temperature. It's really wonderful. You also have a system on here called Line Lock. If you like to go drag racing, it's going to help you launch that car the best that you possibly can. And if you look at the Roush shifter ball right there in the center with a short throw shifter, it feels amazing. Nice short throws with that. It feels fantastic. Take a look at the front end of the car. Let's go open up the hood. And under the hood you got a Ford Racing Supercharger. It's a 2.3 liter. It boosts that horsepower up to, like I said, the 670 horsepower from a stock Mustang GT, which I believe is around 435, 445 horse just stock. So that's quite a boost in horsepower and overall performance. One of the best things about the car, not only does the car look amazing, it's got the proper ride height. The car's been physically lowered for better handling, better aerodynamics overall. But the sound of this car is just phenomenal. Not only does the car look amazing, it sounds amazing, the performance is really quite outstanding. I get to drive a lot of fun cars here, exotics, from Ferrari to Lamborghini, and I got to tell you, this car really holds its own. So if you'd like to make this car yours, give me a call. My name is Ron Ward. You can reach me at 239-776-1310. Go to naplesmotorsports.com where you'll see 60 photos of this vehicle inside and out, and you can also email me as well. Look forward to helping you.